Hey everybody, it's been a while since I made anything again. Been busy. It's been really cold here in California. Super mega freezing. The kind of weather that Californians are not used to. Naturally, we complain a lot about the cold because we're just used to the sun. I mean, it's freezing outside, but it's sunny all day long. So I'm like, yay, there's sun. And I go outside and there's this cold wind that just slaps you. And I'm like, oh crap. So it looks nice and sunny, but it's cold. It's not so cold today, actually, but it has been in the previous days. Hopefully, it gets warmed up again, because granted, Californians do complain about weather not being too cold, even though it's not that cold. But this time, seriously, it's been cold. So during the time that it was really cold outside, I decided to venture out there and create this piece that I had in mind. It was so cold, and I thought it was funny because I had to dip my hand in water with toilet paper, like bunches of toilet paper, and then I globbed on like colors that I wanted, which was red and white, just red and white. And so I had to do that over and over again, and my hand was freezing, and I had to throw it at the canvas that I had set up on my wall outside in my backyard. And it was so cold, but I liked it. I had to do that over and over and over again because the color wasn't exactly sticking as well as I like to. So eventually I just started putting crap load of paint onto it, and I got what I wanted. Oh, my battery's dying. Anyways, I recorded it. There's no sound in it just because it was too much wind, so it sounds awful. It just sounds like nothing but wind. So I decided to take off the audio. And anyways, at the end, you guys will see the finished result, which is this here. It's not super easy, like I said. I don't know what's wrong with me. I haven't been doing detailed stuff, but I like it nonetheless. And you guys will see it in its entirety at the end. All right. Thank you guys. Stay safe out there and take care. And if you are a fellow California and you're dying from the freezing cold, bundle up fast.